fresh morning to one and all present over here. My name is Yasin Bagir from grade 8. Today I am telling you today's day and date. Today's day is Friday and today's date is 20th June 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, myself Ojas K from grade 8. Every Friday we have a fun fact. So today's fun fact is snail can sleep for up to 3 years by entering in the hibernation during the unfavorable condition. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, I am Sejal Garute from standard grade 8. I am Aradha Pandrapatte from grade 8. I am Vedika Bajaj from grade 8. I am Manvi Kotode from grade 8. Today's importance of the day is World Refugee Day, honoring the courage and resilience of refugees. What is World Refugee Day? World Refugee Day is observed every year on June 20. It was designated by United Nations in 2001 to mark the 50th anniversary of Refugee Convention. This honors refugees around the world and raises awareness about their struggles and rights. Who is refugee? A refugee is someone who is forced to leave their home country because of war, violence, persecution, or natural disaster. They seek safety in another country and are protected under international law, specifically 1951 Refugee Convention. What is refugee phase? Challenges refugee face. Refugee face many challenges after leaving their home. They often lose their home and sense of identity. Access to healthcare and education can be limited and finding jobs is difficult. They may also experience exploitation and discrimination. What can we do? We can help refugees by learning about struggle and share knowledge with others. Support refugee lead group and donate time. Speak up for fair laws and welcome them into school, communicates and workplace.
At Shraddha Olympiad School, we believe that every human being deserves dignity, safety, and the right to live. On World Refugee Day, we stand in solidarity with refugees around the world. We teach our students the value of compassion, inclusion, and global citizenship because kindness has no borders.
Thank you.
So get ready for the today's breathing exercise. So stand straight everyone. Place your hands by your side. Now take a deep breath and hold your breath while I count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now breathe out through your mouth. So again, take a deep breath. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out through your mouth. So again, breathe in. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Okay, thank you.